What day is today? April what? 8th?
Something like that.
Aubrey didn't want to sleep, but she's too tired. So she's actually sleeping
All sitting.
while sitting.
Her first night in the crib.
By herself. Ouch. That hurts. Oh, that hurts.
It serves her right. She should be minded.
She didn't want to. Oh, poor thing. Maybe I should sleep in the crib with her. I think it's probably the solution right now. I'm serious.
She's gonna fall backwards later on.
Well, she's got enough distance. She won't be